Morales, the founder of Royals International Empire, wherein we help you build your business empire internationally so that you can live a life of royalty. And bago ko i-share sa'yo ang napakaganda nating programa, I would like to share my background. I'm a registered nurse by profession na plano ko din sana mag-abroad before, pero meron nakapag-share sa akin ng napakagandang opportunity na to na kayang tapatan or higitan pa yung kikitain ko sanang minimum 100,000 per month na income abroad by just doing the business online. And early on, I realized na kung gusto pala natin umasenso sa buhay, as soon as possible, kailangan nating maging amo or boss sa sarili nating negosyo. And after a few years, hindi lang 100,000 ang binigay sa akin na income, kundi 7 figures income consistent every month. At dahil dyan, lahat ng mga pangarap ko na hindi ko na na-imagine na makukuha ko, nakuha ko at a very young age. And with that success, I've been invited multiple times to share my story in front of 15,000 people at MOA Arena and receive different awards locally and internationally. And right now, I'm mentoring people from all walks of life na gusto din sundan ang yapak na tinahak ko. And our community is now creating new millionaires every month. Mapa-empleyado, professionals, negosyante, kabataan, OFWs, and even mga anak at kamag-anak ng mga OFWs na gustong bumawi sa pamilya. And we are just starting. We want you to be part of the next batch of millionaires in our community. Now, ang tanong ko sa'yo, are you the next one? If your answer is yes, then I want to welcome you to Royals International Empire, wherein we help you build your business empire internationally so that you can live a life of royalty. So, ang tanong mo sa akin, Mentor Tanya, sige, gusto ko na maging part ng community. Papaano din ako makaka-earn ng milyon dyan? Napakasimple lang. Kagaya ng ginawa namin and lahat ng mga earners ng community natin, we just partnered with the #1 digital income protection for breadwinners, which is OBI or Orbis Victus International. This is an insurtech company na habang pinoprotektahan mo ang pamilya mo, may lifetime business ka pa. In partnership with Stronghold Insurance, which has been existing for 60 years now in the industry, and they are the trusted insurance provider of LTO, SMDC, PLDT, Toyota Motors, Philinvest, and more. Kaya naman, napaka-legit and subok na. For the past years, the protection industry is a booming industry. Why? Because it is securing your greatest asset, which is you. May kasabihan nga, insurance is just like a fire extinguisher. We need it, but hope we never have to use it. But if we don't have it at the time that we need it, all our assets worth millions will be gone. Kaya naman, ang insurance is just like the fire extinguisher for breadwinners to protect your savings na kahit anuman mangyari sa family, may peace of mind ka. Imagine niyo, insurance is required sa lahat ng brand new cars. Magkano ngayon magpa-insure ng sasakyan sa Pinas? 30,000 pesos for 1 million coverage in 1 year. In my case, yung Ford Mustang ko, 65,000 ang nabayaran ko sa insurance on my first year. Imagine yung sasakyan na walang buhay nagbabayad tayo sa insurance ng 30 to 65,000 pesos per year. How much more ang buhay natin na mas mahalaga at napakadaming nakasalalay? Hindi ba dapat hindi na pinag-iisipan yan? Eto tanong ko sa'yo, what if pwede mo i-insure yung buong family mo for less than 30,000 pesos for 8.5 million coverage? Plus, meron ka pang lifetime business na pwede kang kumita ng milyon-milyon. Iga-grab mo ba? I'm sure your answer is a big yes. So welcome to our program, The 3 Easy Steps to Royalty. Just follow these 3 easy steps that we did for you to get the same result. Step 1. Avail of the Breadwinners Package for only 29,990. Insured ka na agad for 3 million plus 5 of your family members will also be insured for 500,000 to 1 million coverage. And that's a total of 8.5 million coverage for your entire family. Unlike other insurances wherein you pay monthly, this is just a one-time payment. Plus, you have a lifetime business na pwede nating pagtulungan. Step 2, let's expand your business together. With your Breadwinners Package, the company will give you 3 digital stores na pwede kang mag-expand with your 4 open lines. With our system, we will teach you paano ka makakagain ng napakadaming inquiries using your social media. We're also interested na ma-insure yung family nila and lalo na yung mga tao na gusto ng additional income. So for every person na gagayahin ka at kukuha din ng Breadwinners Package, you will earn 6,000 pesos as direct referral bonus for every package. Plus, 2 na 1,800 pesos as pairing bonus. So, sa 4 pa lang na tao na nag-inquire and ginaya ka, eto kaagad ang income mo, 38,400 pesos. Eto pa mas maganda, what if ginaya mo ko at ginaya mo yung ginawa ng karamihan na nag-start with 7 digital stores and above? Kinuha mo yung International Business Package because you want to expand your business internationally. For only 69,990, may big-time business ka na kayang daigin ang kinikita ng typical na restaurant and traditional business. In every person na gagayahin ka at kukuha din ng International Business Package, meron kang tumataginting na 14,000 pesos as direct referral bonus. Plus, 5 na 1,800 pesos as pairing bonus. So, sa 8 tao lang na nag-inquire and ginaya ka, meron ka kagad income na 220,000 pesos. And step 3, be mentored for 1 to 2 years to earn your first million. And ako mismo ang magme-mentor sa'yo, kagaya ng mga naunang na-create na milyonaryo ng community natin. Ang gagawin mo lang, maging willing ka lang na magpaturo and sundin ang step-by-step ng ating programa. And lahat ng yan, magsisimula lang sa pag-avail mo ng Breadwinners Package or your International Business Package. I'm so excited for you to become part of our program, The 3 Easy Steps to Royalty, because our community is producing new millionaires every month. And I'm more excited na darating yung time magiging part ka ng next batch of millionaires ng community natin, whether you are doing this part-time or full-time. Pero dito talaga ako pinaka na-excite para sa'yo. Nakikita mo yung amount na to? 70,000. dito lang din kami nagsimula sa negosyo namin. Pinangutang ko pa. And after ilang years, eto na yung naging kapalit. Na dating nangungupahan lang kami. Ngayon, nakatira na kami sa napakagandang tahanan na masasabi namin sariling amin. Ito ang vision ko para sa'yo, na tutulungan din kita na makuha mo kung ano man yung nakuha ko, na sobrang deserve mo at deserve ng buong family mo. And I'm sure that your decision to become part of our community is going to be worth it. It's just a matter of making that brave decision right now. Dahil naniniwala ako na kapag pagginhawa ng buhay ng pamilya ang pinag-uusapan, walang anuman makakahadlang para aksyonan natin kaagad yan. So just make that one decision. And once decided ka na, transact now with the person who shared this video with you para ma-open mo na agad yung digital stores mo and para masimulan na kitang i-guide sa programa natin. Because with Royals International Empire, we will make your big dreams a reality.